Consider retrofitting physical barriers like stainless steel mesh and graded sand as a long-term, non-chemical post-construction termite treatment option. When retrofitting stainless steel woven mesh collars at wall and pipe penetrations, measure the full circumference and cut the mesh to extend at least 2 inches beyond the penetration before wrapping and mechanically fastening with corrosion-resistant staples or stainless steel screws. Ensure the cloth is oriented so the woven side faces the soil to block subterranean access while allowing ventilation. For graded sand barriers, place uniformly graded quartz or silica sand with particle sizes specified by accepted building guidelines at all exposed foundation edges and under cantilevered slabs where access and drainage permit. Compact the sand to a consistent depth and slope it away from the structure to discourage moisture retention. Fit continuous metal termite shields at the top of masonry or concrete foundations and tuck the outer edge out to create a visible inspection gap between the shield and the wall cladding. Use stainless or galvanized metal sized to bridge the masonry and provide a deflection surface so termites must expose themselves while foraging. Combine these physical measures with monitoring stations placed along the perimeter every 10 to 20 feet and check them on a monthly schedule to detect early activity, logging observations and photographs to track changes over time. Pay attention to penetrations such as service conduits, stair stringers, and hidden vents and seal gaps with stainless mesh and non-foam sealants that do not deteriorate from moisture or sunlight. Before installation, evaluate site drainage, existing moisture sources, and landscaping contact with the foundation because persistent wet conditions will undermine barrier performance and require corrective grading or gutter work first. Common mistakes include installing mesh collars too loosely so termites can worm around gaps, which is solved by cutting collars to size and fastening them snugly with corrosion-resistant fasteners. Another frequent issue is using improperly graded or mixed sand that allows tunneling through fines. Avoid that by sourcing sand that meets particle size distribution for termite barriers and compacting it to the recommended depth. A third problem is assuming shields alone are sufficient when the soil grade or cladding creates concealment, so combine shields with monitoring stations and corrective grading to maintain visible inspection zones and reduce hiding places. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners find trusted local contractors who can assess foundations, source compliant materials, and perform professional physical barrier retrofits while also helping contractors find work and showcase their services. We host a discussion community where homeowners and contractors exchange practical tips, installation photos, and maintenance strategies so everyone can learn from real experiences.